Hello students, so today topic is perineal body because I am receiving so many uh, requests to create something on the perineal body. See, perineal body, as I have already said you, that perineum is a difficult topic to cover, and in the one go you cannot complete it, but one of the most important part of this is perineal body. So what is perineal body? If you see this is the region of perineum, and here in the middle we observe a fibromuscular structure, right? And it is the central point where all small muscle are joining. So this small structure, fibromuscular structure, present between the vagina and the anal canal, or in front of anal canal and scrotum, behind the scrotum, is named as perineal body, right? So perineal body is a fibromuscular structure. So fibromuscular body between anal canal and lower part of posterior vaginal wall or the scrotum, whatever is the case,